After you have practiced a little and feel that you have made improvement, the next step would be to make a video recording. You can use your cell phone or your webcam or any gadget at your disposal to record your speech. Watching yourself on video will add a new dimension to your thought process. It will give you an idea of the mannerisms you need to adopt in order to make a decent presentation. As you work through this process, you will notice your performance improve dramatically over time. Keep in mind that you don't have to go through this drill all in one day. If you spend too long at it in a short period of time, fatigue will start setting in and your performance will deteriorate instead of improving. Your problems are owing to a psychological barrier in your mind, and hence the remedy takes time and will not happen in a day. As you practice, avoid incorrect phrases that we often use in regular speech. For example, phrases such as, you know, or I was like, and so on, that we use in our normal speech do not make for good sentences. Keep practicing a little at a time, but on a regular basis, and before long, you will notice the improvement, and with it, your confidence level will rise as well. Once you've gained confidence and the video recording of your speech does not embarrass you, the next step is to practice in front of other people. Ask your friends, acquaintances, or family members to help you in this exercise. Ask them to be your audience and practice your speech in front of them. Ask them for constructive critique and work on the issues they point out. For a start, your audience should be your friends and ones who want to see you succeed. Be careful not to include people you do not get along well with. Such people may be highly critical, and it may make a dent in the confidence you have built up. You can call in your hostile critics to be among your audience when you have overcome your stage fright to a significant degree and have attained the frame of mind in which you are not nervous about facing anyone in the audience. This stage will come after a lot of practice, and you will get there. No matter what career path you choose in life, the first step of transforming yourself into a good speaker begins with you. You may read books about public speaking, and you can also choose to attend public speaking courses. However, do not make any choice that is financially expensive right at the beginning. You can choose to spend money for this exercise after you have gained a certain level of confidence, and you can achieve this at your own initiative and without making a hole in your pocket. When you go into a course with an elevated level of confidence, you learn to refine your skills as opposed to just learning the basics. Any course in public speaking will try to work on your weaknesses and build on your strengths. You have to take the initiative, overcome your inhibitions, and start practicing. As you practice, your initial dislike for this activity will fade, and it may become something you enjoy doing.